Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you I have received a Hacktoberfest swag, a t-shirt and stickers. So I'll be showing you that also. This is the swag if you can see, and also I'll be discussing with you what is Hacktoberfest. So first we'll discuss what is Hacktoberfest and then I'll show you the t-shirt which I have received from DigitalOcean. Okay friends, so what is Hacktoberfest? Hacktoberfest is the fest which is organized in the month of October every year. Basically it starts from 1st of October to 31st till 31st of the October. Okay, that's why its name also Hacktober. So it is Hacktober. Okay, so let's discuss what we have to do in this fest. So basically friends, in this fest what you have to do is you have to make some open source contribution. Okay, so where you will make the open source contribution, you are going to create 4 pull requests in GitHub. If you know what is GitHub, it is an open source repository. There are many of projects. So what you have to do is you have to search projects. What they do is, what Hacktoberfest do is they they list some of the projects and they label it as Hacktoberfest. So you can choose them also and you can modify them also. It is one thing. But it is not mandatory that you have to only to those repositories which are Hacktoberfest or those issues in the repository which are labeled as Hacktoberfest. You can choose others as well. Okay, you can choose any project you want and you can make your contribution to that. So now what you can do is you can take a project which you want, you can contribute to that, you can resolve the issues of that. Okay. So once you have resolved or you have contributed, you have made commit, you have done commit. So what it will happen is there will be a review period to your PR. Like what it happens is when you go into Hacktoberfest site, you just go, you log in with your link, your GitHub account. So once you make contribution in your GitHub, you commit it during that duration from 1st to 31st of October. You will see your PR in your Hacktoberfest page also. So they will be in review for 14 days. After 14 days, if the owner of that repository where you have created your PR has accepted it, either he has merged it, and if he doesn't want to merge, if he has put the label also Hacktoberfest accepted, then also your PR will be qualified. So this way you have to make 4 PR till 1st to 31st of October. But earlier, before, like in 2019, the rule was like you have to make contribution. The owner of the repository it is not mandatory for the owner to make it as Hacktoberfest accepted or merged. But from this time, from 2020, they have made it mandatory that owner of the repository has to label it as Hacktoberfest accepted to your PR, or he has to merge it. Okay. Another thing is you have to be very safe that you don't have to make some dummy contribution or violate or make you have to follow the rules. Like you cannot go and just do anything to anyone's project and it will be qualified. It is not like that. Another thing friends, there are some of the repositories like Hello World sort of repositories. What you have to do is you have to go there and you have to write in your name, and that is one PR. But friends, those type of repositories are not eligible for Hacktoberfest. So it is very easy. It is very easy for beginners. I would recommend, it is not necessary that you have to be an engineering graduate or computer science graduate to do that. If you are a student also, if you are in school also and you are interested in computer science, you are interested in open source development, then please do this it will be in the coming October. You have to contribute it. It is very easy. There are many simple projects. Plus, like whosoever is eligible will get this Hacktoberfest swag, which is a t-shirt and some stickers. Apart from that, there are some more swags which you can grab. What you can do is there is a list of companies. So in those list of companies, what you have to do is you have to go to their repositories and you have to contribute there. They already mention the problems of whatever issues they are in their repository. You will find issues, and there are many issues with Hacktoberfest label. You may or may not choose Hacktoberfest label, not mandatory. What you have to do is you have to contribute. The 4 PRs which you are doing, if you made those 4 PRs in those repositories of the list of eligible companies, then you will get swag from those companies also. So it is like a double offer. If you are making 4 PRs, don't make it to some random PRs. Go to the repositories go to the repositories of the companies which are mentioned and contribute there. So by this way you will get additional swag. So each company has their own like rules, like you have you have to create 4 PRs, or you have in some companies it is like you can create 2 PRs, but those should be merged. So these are over and above. Suppose if you contribute 4 PR which is in a particular company, and that company wants only 2 PRs and that should be merged. So yes, if your PR is merged, you are eligible for the swag from that company also, plus the swag from Hacktoberfest also. Okay friends, so what I will show is now I will show you what I have done this year is I have contributed in Login Radius to PRs to repositories of Login Radius. So I get a swag from Login Radius as well. I got a t-shirt, I got a string bag, and I got some stickers from Login Radius also. So those I have already unpacked, so I am not showing it. I will show this Hacktoberfest wala swag. So you can see I have received this t-shirt from Hacktoberfest. This is the t-shirt which I have got, and I have got these many, you can see these many stickers from Hacktoberfest. Actually this time Hacktoberfest was sponsored by Intel. Intel was one of the partners. So yes, these many stickers I have got. Yeah. These are the stickers. So yes, that's all for this video friends. If you have any doubts regarding Hacktoberfest, you can ask me in comment section. If you want to connect to me, you can connect to my LinkedIn ID. I'll mention in the description also. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.